Now this is going to be a quick tutorial showing how to use an iframe on an edit form. Now we've got some tables already in here and the forms that go with them, and we've put some records in the tables as well. So we can see that we've got a customer table, and then we've got another table we've called employees, but they're actually employees of the customer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and create an iframe. First of all, we'll just clone an object that's already here on the form. Make some adjustments. Now we need to pick the form that we want to put inside the iframe. So we're going to say the employee form, and we'll save that and refresh the page. Here we go, we got something there. So that's what it looks like to start with. Now, I don't really want all those columns. All I want is the employee's name. So I'm going to actually clone that employee form and I'm just going to leave two fields here. The first one will be the customer ID because we need something to filter against our main form. So now we'll make that a width of 0, and I'll just put some crazy number in here that makes sure it goes last. I change the width of that, and as you can see I've got rid of the other ones. I've ticked the delete boxes on the other rows. We're going to have 7 things on a row, and it's going to point back to the employee table. Does it make sense? More in a minute, I hope. So now we're going to go back and edit this because we're going to point it to a different browse form now. It'll be our iframe one, and we'll put the record ID in here. That way it'll be filtered by the main page. So if we're going to refresh that now, that looks better. We go in there, you can see things aren't quite in the middle the way you might want them, and well, I'm doing it the hard way. I can just adjust those even here. Alright, so there we go.